This is the ARRMA Quake 223S two-wheel drive monster truck. Boo, boo, boo. Our 2 to 3S range means you can use it with 2 to 3S batteries. On 2S, this truck has the perfect amount of speed. It's nicely balanced, easy to manage, wheelies on demand, and you can have so much fun with it. Throw in a 3S battery and you've got 50 mph top speed, double backflips, triple backflips, anything you want to do with this car. It's an absolute wild ride. The Quake body style comes with extensive body protection. Rocks at the front and the rear help to keep the body in good shape. Combined with the truck body style, this makes the perfect monster truck character. Another standout feature with the Quake is the tyre. This is a brand new exclusive tyre designed specifically for brushless power. We've got a thicker tyre carcass, a much more aggressive tread with the chevron style, cut chevron for a little bit more side bite, and we've got the foam insert installed in the tyre as well. It's going to keep your car under control when the speeds get fast. This car actually has 6 wheels, and this one and this one are probably going to be most used on this car. No, seriously, the wheelie bar helps to keep the car under control for those long power wheelies and just flip the car a little bit less. This is really, really essential. The Quake 223S is easy to service and change battery. Like all of the ARRMA two-wheel drive range, the battery can be accessed from the bottom without removing the body. To install the battery, it's pretty simple. So we press the clips on either side of the chassis, remove the battery door, plug in your 2S or 3S battery into the IC5 connector, and I like to put the battery into the tray cradle, put it in rearwards first, get it locked in there, make sure the wires are clear, and then clip in the bottom. The battery's locked and loaded, ready to go. You don't need to remove the body to change the battery, but we've made it easy to remove the body anyway. Quite simply, pull these two red tabs from the front and the rear, and the body comes off super easy like so. Something to note, if you're interested in running a Quake body on your Gorgon, the body mounting system that is on the vehicle and on the body itself are subtly different between the two. If you want the Quake body, you need to have the Quake body mounts and shock towers on your vehicle. If you want the Gorgon body, you need to have the Gorgon shock towers and body mounts on your vehicle. The Quake has a few quality of life improvements we made when we updated the Gorgon Mega line. It is the cable tidy wire holder, the mesh safe clip to hold the motor locked in place, and we have made some small improvements to the servo saver to make it super strong. Brushless power is delivered from the Spectrum 2-in-1 2 to 3S ESC. As we said before, you can run it on 2S or 3S depending how wild you want to go with the power. Not only does this unit deliver the power, it also helps to control the power. Built in is the Spectrum DSC. You can change the DSC modes on the fly from the Spectrum SLT radio. Simply hold full right on the radio, press the action button once, and the number of beeps the radio gives is the mode that you're in. Holding right and pressing the button once again cycles to the next mode in the sequence, cycling through modes 1, 2, 3 and 4. No matter what DSC mode you are using, you will always have full control over the throttle. If you want to pull full rip and go for a quad backflip, then we won't stop you. Do it again! In mode 1, DSC is completely disabled. You are in full control of the car. Do what you like. Using DSC mode 2 is the perfect low assistance help. It gives you just a subtle amount of help which makes you feel like a hero without even realizing it's on. Modes 3 and 4 are a higher level of steering correction assistance. These are more suited when the traction gets a little bit lower. The motor is a high power, high RPM Spectrum 3660 4000 kV motor. This motor has been optimized for this two-wheel drive platform to get it way beyond 50 miles an hour while riding on its back wheels. To handle all of this power, we've upgraded the slipper clutch. It now comes with an alloy hub slipper clutch to deal with all of that power. We also have a massive 40mm cooling fan to keep things cool when things are getting hot. The radio is a Spectrum SLT2. This is a fantastic lightweight high performance radio, and we've added a graphic which matches the body print scheme, so if you've got a bunch of these running, you know which radio controls which car. Speaking of colours, we have 3 colours available. We've got the red, we've got the green, and we've got the purple. Let me know in the comments below which colour you're going for. So that's going to cover most of the details about the 2-wheel drive Arma Quake 223S, but this car isn't really about the details. This is about the amount of fun that this car can deliver. This softly sprung motion of this car, the 2-wheel drive nature where you just pull the trigger and it pulls a wheelie forever. It just makes this car one of the lowest cost, highest fun cars in the whole range. If you want to pick one up, pull the trigger and send it to the moon, then check out the links in the description below. If you want to be the first to know when we drop the 5th scale Typhon, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure notifications are turned on.